Do you know what my favorite thing to do in the Philippines is? And if you guessed stated 20-year-olds, you are wrong. It's a close second, but my most favorite thing to do in the Philippines is coming right up. Let me show you. If you guessed motorcycle riding was my #1 thing to do in the Philippines, well, you are absolutely right. And I am out here doing it. I do it every day because I love it. I love it. I love the riding out here. It is so good. I mean, look at this. I am in the middle of a rice field. I'm in the middle of a rice field. I'm surrounded by rice. And what's wild is at this stage of this crop, right? So I'm learning a lot about rice and harvesting and all that. But at this stage in the crop, I can actually smell it a little bit. It's so wild, man. You know, it's I don't know. To me, it's super unique being out here in this Philippines. And I love this, love riding around this country. Coming up this section ahead, we've got a really cool section. Like seriously, I'm in the middle of, I got rice fields all around me and they just planted. So everything's super green. Go ahead, see that? There's a baby in the middle of those people there. I love this country, man. I love it. All right, guys. Well, let's get this drone up. Actually, we'll let some more people kind of go by us here. We got some more people because I want to get the drone up and I want to show you guys around. But I love this country, guys. Love it. I love traveling around. Yeah. So the Babaloonies, the sleeping with 20-year-olds is probably it's maybe 4th or 5th on my list. It comes way down the road. Hey, my own hapon. It comes way down my list. First I've got motorcycle riding, then I got gym and running, and you know, maybe it's around there with pickleball. I know, right? I don't know. I'm an old guy, right? Maybe I am getting super old. So anyways, guys, let's get this drone up. Let's see what we can show you. We'll get some footage here. We'll ride around. So it's Sunday, so I'm betting that actually you might see a little more people up here. We'll ride up around a couple of neighborhoods up here, so people will probably be out and being out in the community, probably playing some basketball at this one court. But this is one of my favorite sections right here. Just a gorgeous scene kind of backing through here. Like I said, you've got in this crop right now where we're at with the crop cycle, everything is really green out, you know. A lot of times too, like right before harvest, it gets really brown and then of course it'll dry out. But yeah, let's take a look here. All right, yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's get on the road. Let's show you what we got. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I love it. Here we are. Oh, crap, did I close up my bag? Yeah, looking good. Yes, dual sport riding, guys. I am learning in my 50s. Admittedly, I was a little bit late to motorcycles. I started riding, when did I start riding? Maybe 2016, I think it was. I can't remember, right around then. Oh, but here we are. Check it out. Check out the scene. Oh, all around me. Yeah. So, over here to the left, it looks like they're getting ready to plant. But this here is just epic. And I think back there I can smell it. I can't really smell it here, but back there I can smell it. Yes. I ride this road, I don't even know. I ride it all, not quite every day, but quite often. So people are starting to recognize me. You're like, who's this guy? Yes, I smell rice. I smell it. There's like, who's this crazy foreigner who rides in the middle of these rice fields? Who is this guy? And he's standing up on his bike. What the heck is he doing? Nobody stands up on the bike here, huh? And admittedly, I probably stand more than I should, but I'm just trying to get used to the bike, riding, standing up, you know, just used to shifting and braking and all that stuff. So yeah, it's super fun. But yeah, this is, oh, you got all those little things running out in front of you. Ah, so cool, guys. I dig it. I dig it. Yeah, and then it just, yeah, so you can see here over here, they just plowed that. They're probably going to plant it here soon too. So yeah, all right guys, well, I'm at the end of this dirt trail, so I'm going to stop the drone and get everything down, and we'll be right back in just a second. So be right back with some more stuff. All right guys, so I'm about ready to head up this other section up here. Usually there's a bunch of people hanging out. If not, it's a really cool road kind of down through this little town area, and some pretty good boulders and stuff. So it's pretty good riding through there too. So yeah, let's get the drone up, and we'll do some shots. We'll do some stuff right around here. So
3, 2, 1.
all right, let's do it. Let's get up here. We'll give that guy a little bit of head start. Yeah, right up here, guys. Cool little road. Like I said, this is part of my normal ride. I just dig it. Looks like they got some construction going on. Chickens and stuff all over. Pretty rocky through here. And then boom, you got a path. I love it, man. I love the riding. It's just so good. So much fun. You know, this is where it's at, man. And boom, now we're on a trail again. Nobody's out yet. There's a little water fill station over there. But I love this little road because you got oh, there's a couple of guys out playing ball. You've got some really good terrain here, and some really good that drone just flew right over those people. Hopefully it's flying high enough. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so you got some really cool terrain up here. Really good rocky trails and stuff through here. Really, really cool. Hey, my own up phone. Just people are so friendly, guys. That's just what I love about this country. You know, I was joking about dating earlier. And, you know, this is just where the magic is at right here, guys. You get out and explore, you know, it's just so good. Hey, my own up phone. Kids are so cute, man. Everyone's got a big smile on their face. Man, when's the last time you've been around that, huh? Oh, I just freaking love it. Yeah, so you got a little bit of rocky section coming up here, a little bit of steep section, but just good views. Dang, beautiful, right? Yeah, this isn't too bad. A little steep, not bad. Get on the brake a little bit, got on my rear brake. But I'm still learning off-road, but gorgeous through here. And you've got trails like this all over the country, you know, all throughout, which is why I really like having a dual sport. You know, the scooter's good too. Scooter's good for around town, but having a bike that can ride this kind of stuff just really opens up for your, you know, just getting out and seeing, you know, bigger parts of the country. You can't ride really a scooter on this. I guess you can, but whatever. You know, this is just the right tool for the job. And this little KLX230 Sherpa, I mean, just tackles it, man. It is just so good. I mean, it is the perfect tool for the job. Hey, everyone's got a big smile on their face. Yeah. Love it, man. Love exploring here in this country. It, you know, definitely does not get old. So good. I can't wait to ride over some of these more mountainous areas too. I'm just really learning here. Yeah, gets a little steep on this side here. I'll drop down a gear. Karaoke going. Yeah, I can't wait to get up in some of the more mountainous regions and do some of that. Yeah, guys, look at this. Super rocky through here. Big old baby heads like Colorado. But yeah, so I'm just kind of figuring it out, right? Just kind of figuring out how to ride and, you know, keep up on the bike. I like admittedly standing a lot more. Hey, my own phone. And like I said, learning how to shift and brake while up. The bar risers have helped out tremendously on this bike. Also too, I got the foot pegs on here. Those have helped out a ton. Yeah, the exhaust you can probably hear, which whatever. That just gives it a lot more torque and horsepower, which is great, right? You know, that's kind of steps it up a little bit. So I'm looking at maybe some suspension mods, but I haven't found the limits of the suspension yet. You know, I'm just riding it really easy. So yeah, sun's coming down now. I dig it. Usually I stop around here. Hey, my own phone. Usually I stop around here and get some, take a water break. So, like I said, I've been riding here so much, people probably start to recognize me. Yeah, super cute. Kids wandering around, carrying a big old karaoke speaker, twice almost as big as she is. Yeah, I love this country, man. I do anyways. Yeah, just gotta get your priorities straight, you know, and everything kind of falls into place, man. Everything just kind of falls into place. As long as you're a respectful dude, have a big smile, this kind of crap works out, you know? So, yeah, we're gonna stop right around here. This is my water break area down here. So, we'll do that. We'll stop and get some water. Just say hey to everybody. So, be right back with some more stuff. All right, guys, so we just got this last section up here. I'm going to show you, there's a little bit of a hill here. It's kind of fun, and then we'll ride through this town. So, hold on. Check this out. Kind of steep through here and rocky and loose. Yeah, good time, man. You know, I definitely struggled, admittedly, a little bit the first time on that, for sure. Took a while to get up where I would want to stand up. Or yeah, standing up is a lot easier on that bumpy stuff. You got a lot more suspension than standing up like that, right? But yeah, this is so fun, man. Learning to ride. Again, guys, this bike is just epic. It's just so good. If you're learning to ride, wanting to learn off-road, I highly recommend the KLX230 Sherpa. Now, you know, I don't have interstates where I'm at. So, I think I hit the ground. Oh yeah, I crashed. I'm right by that thing. But yeah, I don't have interstates where I'm at. So if you have any type of interstate or like that, definitely, and there we are. Crashed the drone. But yeah, if you don't have interstates, guys, This is the bike for you. So easy to ride. Highly recommend it. All right, let's get this drone back up, and then we will we'll finish the video. I just want to ride through that town a little bit. Show you guys a little bit of that town. Maybe, we'll see. It says check propellers. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, I must have hit this branch right here. Yeah, the nice thing about this drone is it, yep, there it is. It's good to go.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so durable, man. You ain't doing that with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Not only do I highly recommend the KLX, check. I recommend the DJI. All right, see if we can turn around there without it losing me. Come on, you got me. Yes, yes, there we go. Hey, see what I go through, guys, to film this for you. Give a brother a thumbs up, like a video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, oh, it's fun. I actually enjoy it, but here's what we got, like these cities down through here. Yeah, you just kind of happen up on these little towns, you know, as you come riding through. So, that was pretty cool though, this ride. Oh yeah, sorry. Finishing up a little bit of a bug here. I don't know, I think this might, yeah, this is still kind of, might be Libertard, kind of my neighborhood. This is my backyard, kind of back in my, I'm really close to home. Not far at all. But you got all these little cool little barangays and, you know, all kinds of stuff. Hey, you know, it's just great. Hey, the kids are out playing now. The sun's going down, everyone's starting to come out for a while. Really good. Yeah, freaking out about gear. Just a bunch of kids and babies and everyone, no one wearing gear. This is part of the culture here, guys. Oh, but the riding is so good, man. If you are a motorcyclist, if you are into riding, friendly people, Philippines is it. It really is. Yeah, well, we are at the end of the trail, guys. I really just wanted to show you a little bit of these riding segments. I want to get back out on the bike. I wanted to shoot some stuff, kind of show you what it's like to ride out here. You know, as a new dual sport rider, all that stuff. You know, it's just really good. Yeah, it's just really cool, man. Yeah, I love it here, man. Just really, really good. Just so much fun, right? You've got so much to do, so much exploring to do. It's just, you can't beat it. It's just like no other place in the world, surrounded by friendly locals and people. I just dig it, guys. All right, well, that'll do it for this video. Just another riding around on the KLX. Just want to show you guys around this town and some of these trails around here. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to check out the Patreon page if you're not already a member there. Tons of free stuff up there. I put videos up every week, up there every Tuesday. I've got my ferry guide out on my website. So if you're looking to travel around by ferries, definitely check that out. It's out at carefreechris.com. It's basically a spreadsheet with a couple years of information on there. So looks like he's selling bananas. Yeah. So yeah, you see that all the time. Fish, bananas, pandesal. Really appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Feed that good wolf. Peace.